manganate ion. How this manganate ion is formed? K2MnO4, potassium manganate. It undergoes ionization to produce 2K++ MnO4 2-. MnO4- is called permanganate. MnO4 2- is called manganate ion. See the structure. Manganese, then O-, and O-, double bond O and double bond O. See this, the negative charge on oxygen atom undergoes delocalization. They involved in the resonance. Then the structure we can write like this also. Is having the single bonds and double bond is not exactly completely double bond and not exactly completely single bond. That's why the bond lengths are in between the double bond and single bond. Means less than single bond and more than double bond. 2-. So here, what is the oxidation state of manganese? Is equal to +6. So Mn+6 electronic configuration is 3d1. 3d1. So it contains how many unpaired electrons at present mass? Number of unpaired electrons. Number of unpaired electrons equal to 1. So one unpaired electron is present means manganate ion character is paramagnetic. Paramagnetic. And mu is equal to 1.73 Bohr magnetons because n is equal to 1. Having colors. So what is the color of Mn+6? Green color. This green color is due to the presence of one unpaired electron due to unpaired electron involving in DD transitions. Involving in a DD transition. So here Mn+6 having green color. Then that green color is due to the presence of DD transitions. And one unpaired electron is present. Its magnetic character is paramagnetic nature and magnetic moment is 1.73 Bohr magnetons. So that related magnetic moment related questions they are asked in a NEET examination. This 2020 NEET examination they are asked that question. Let's see, already that question paper already we are shared in your group, WhatsApp group. So go through that and check that how many questions you are able to solve. Very easy paper only they given. Okay, this is the structure and information related to manganate ion. Now already last class we have discussed permanganate ion structure and all properties we discussed. Now see the preparation method of potassium permanganate. Is very important. Compulsory the question they are asking in 3 marks. This year in board examination also they are asked the preparation methods of potassium permanganate. Preparation method of KMnO4 potassium permanganate from Pyrolusite. Pyrolusite. The pyrolusite molecular formula is MnO2. See the first step. The MnO2 is fused with base KOH. Fused with the base is on oxidation in the presence of potassium nitrate. KNO3 acts as oxidizing agent to produce oxygen. Means pyrolusite ore or MnO2, manganese dioxide, is also known as pyrolusite ore. Is fused with base KOH on oxidation in the presence of potassium nitrate. So in this reaction, potassium nitrate acts as an oxidizing agent. Okay, then produce K2MnO2, potassium manganate. Potassium manganate plus water molecule. This potassium manganate K2MnO4. Potassium manganate. The next step, potassium manganate undergoes disproportion. Disproportion is what is meaning for disproportion reaction. A substance undergoes both oxidation and reduction. Then that reaction is known as disproportion reaction. Disproportion in neutral or basic medium. Neutral or basic medium forms manganate ion. What is the formula of manganate ion? MnO4 minus. Manganate ion it will forms. Let's see. MnO4 2 minus. MnO4 2 minus. MnO4 2 minus. Whether in neutral medium or acidic medium. Acidic medium. Is converted into MnO4 minus plus MnO2. See here the oxidation state is +6 and here the oxidation state is +7 and here the oxidation state is +4. One substance undergoes both oxidation as well as reduction and that reaction is known as disproportion reaction. This is taking place in acidic medium. Then see this is the balanced equation. MnO4 2 minus. Manganate ion undergoes disproportion either acidic medium or in neutral medium forms permanganate ion as well as manganese dioxide MnO2. In manganese dioxide oxidation state of manganese is 4 and in permanganate ion oxidation state of manganese is +7. And manganate ion MnO4 2 minus. One substance undergoes both oxidation as well as reduction. This is oxidation. And this is a reduction. So one substance undergoes both oxidation and reduction, hence this reaction is known as dispropanation reaction. Dispropanation reaction. Okay, clear? Next, let's see this KMnO4. This is the preparation method. Now, first step is common, and the second step, what is the product? In the first step, product is manganate ion. That manganate ion undergoes dispropanation, then we are getting permanganate ion. Or otherwise, the second step we can change also. What is the second step? This manganate ion or potassium manganate K2MnO4 reacts with carbon dioxide or chlorine or ozone, forms KMnO4. Let's see this equation. K2MnO4 reacts with carbon dioxide, forms K2CO2. See, in this CO2 carbon dioxide place, we can write chlorine or we can write ozone also. So, manganate ion or potassium manganate. The second step, this second step, what man? The manganate ion undergoes dispropanation, then we are getting permanganate ion. Or instead of this step, that potassium manganate react with carbon dioxide or chlorine or ozone to forms potassium permanganate. See that I gave one equation with carbon dioxide. So K2MnO4 react with carbon dioxide, forms KMnO4 plus MnO2 plus K2CO3. K2CO3. So this is the preparation method now. So generally KMnO4 we are preparing from pyrolusite ore. The starting material is MnO2. This question asked in board examination in every year compulsory 3 marks question. Either compulsory K2CR2O7 preparation method or KMnO4 preparation method. Any one question guarantee for 3 marks. Either K2CR2O7 asked means immediately in the next KMnO4 they will ask. Otherwise KMnO4 they ask in the next year K2CR2O7 they will ask. But out of these two, if you are studied properly, then you get one question compulsory in board examination. So here, don't confuse the first step is KMnO2 pyrolusite ore or pyrolusite fused with KOH on oxidation in the presence of potassium nitrate oxidizing agent. Potassium nitrate acts as oxidizing agent forms potassium manganate. This potassium manganate undergoes dispropanation, forms permanganate ion, or potassium manganate react with carbon dioxide or chlorine or oxygen, forms potassium permanganate. So this is one important preparation method. So in laboratory method, how KMnO4 we are preparing or manganate ion we are preparing. Let's see. Laboratory method. Laboratory method. In laboratory method, Mn plus 2 salts reacts with Peroxydisulfide ion. Peroxydisulfide ion in acidic medium forms here in this preparation method. See this Mn plus 2 salts. Reacts with peroxydisulfide ion. Peroxydisulfide ion then produce manganate ion, permanganate. Permanganate ion. Permanganate ion means KMnO4 is ionized to give K++ MnO4 minus. Then we are getting permanganate ion or potassium permanganate. This is the laboratory method now. It is called a laboratory method. So in laboratory method, manganese plus 2 salts are reacts with peroxodisulfide ions or peroxydisulfuric acid. H2S2O8 is known as peroxydisulfuric acid. The peroxydisulfuric acid ionic form is S2O8 minus. It is known as peroxodisulfide ion. Peroxodisulfide ion means they contain peroxy bond is present. What is peroxy bond? O bond O is known as peroxy bond. Okay. Then they react with Mn plus 2 salts forms permanganate ion and sulfide ion. Sulfide ion means H2SO4. They convert it into sulfuric acid. Sulfide ions. Okay. So this method is known as laboratory preparation method. Laboratory preparation method. So one is pyrolusite work. So in that pyrolusite work, how we are prepared KMnO4 man? The first step, MnO2 fused with KOH in the presence of potassium nitrate acts as an oxidizing agent, then converted into K2MnO4. Manganate ion is formed. That manganate ion undergoes dispropanation either in neutral medium or acidic medium forms permanganate ion. Instead of that step, potassium manganate K2MnO4 under treated with carbon dioxide forms KMnO4. That is the first preparation method. And another laboratory method. In laboratory method, how we are preparing KMnO4 or permanganate ion? Manganese plus 2 salts. MnCl2 is plus 2 salt. Manganese dichloride or MnSO4. Manganese sulfate. Any salts, manganese plus 2 salts treated with peroxydisulfide ions forms permanganate. Ion. This is known as laboratory preparation method. Okay. Let's see chemical properties of potassium permanganate. It's very important. Just like potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7, how it acts as a strong oxidizing agent. In the same way, KMnO4 also acts as a strong oxidizing agent. But the KMnO4 activity will be depends on the medium. KMnO4 acts as a strong oxidizing agent in acidic medium or neutral or weak basic medium as well as strong basic medium. So depends on the nature of the medium. It acts as a different oxidizing nature, and its N factor value also will be changes. M factor, based on M factor, what we can calculate? We can calculate gram equivalent weights or equivalent weight. What is the formula for gram equivalent weight or equivalent weight? Is equal to gram molecular weight by M factor. So first we'll discuss that KMnO4 oxidizing nature in acidic medium, neutral or weak basic medium, as well as in strong basic medium. And based on that, we will give some examples. Okay, let's see chemical properties. Chemical properties of KMnO4. It acts as strong oxidizing agent. Depends on that's a strong oxidizing agent, depends on medium, depends on either acidic, neutral or basic. Basic medium. So it acts as a strong oxidizing agent in acidic medium as well as neutral medium and also in basic medium Let's see first one. In acidic medium, MnO4 minus permanganate ion is converted into Mn plus 2 because oxidizing agent, it acts as oxidizing agent means itself undergoes reduction. See here the plus 6, permanganate ion oxidation state is plus 7 is converted into plus 2. Now balance that 4 oxygen atoms are present, then forms 4 H2O. To balance that hydrogens, we need to add 8 H plus ions. 8 H plus ions. For balancing of charges, see here plus 2 charge is present. Here minus 1 and plus 7, plus 8, total plus 7 will come. Plus 7 it is plus 2 means still plus 5 units extra charge is present. That's why it accepted 5 electrons. In acidic medium. So in acidic medium KMnO4, 1 mole of KMnO4 acts as how many electrons? 5 electrons. That's why its N factor. N factor of KMnO4 in acidic medium is 5. Now its gram equivalent weight is equal to gram molecular weight by N factor. Already this concept we are discussed in first PUC only, but however just I am repeating. Now what is the gram molecular weight of KMnO4? Potassium 39, manganese 55, okay, oxygen 16. Total how many oxygen atoms are present? 4. 4 into 16. Then total sum of the gram atomic weights of all atoms in a molecule is equal to gram molecular weight. Then how much we are getting? 158. 158 by 5. Then it is approximately is equal to 31.6. So in acidic gram equivalent weight of KMnO4 is equal to 31.6. Now let's see in neutral or weak basic medium. So whenever the conditions means KMnO4 acts as oxidizing agent in either neutral medium or in basic medium. The permanganate ion, MnO4 minus, is converted into MnO2, manganese dioxide. Let's see here, 4 oxygen atoms here, 2 are present. For balancing of oxygens, we need to add water molecules. H2O. But in neutral medium, how to balance oxygen atoms here? See, 4 hydrogen atoms more can. The same side, you have to add so we have to add 2H2O. The same side, we need to add OH minus ions. How many OH minus ions we need to add? 4 hydrogens extra came. That's why 4 OH minus ions we need to add. Then automatically this side 4 hydrogens, 4 oxygens extra came. Already 4 is present and again 4 means 4H2O. Now out of the 2 and 4H2O we cancel. The simply we can written as this equation 4 OH minus and this side 2H2O. Already balancing of equations in acidic medium, in basic medium, already we discussed it. This is one of the half reaction. In redox reaction, it is one half reaction. What is half reaction? Reduction half reaction. So the reduction half reaction and balance in basic medium or weak basic medium. Now is coming like this. So for this case, see charges -1 charge is present here and -4 charge is present. For balancing of charges, I am adding this side 3 electrons. Now total 4 units negative charge, this side also 4 units negative charge is present. So KMnO4 or manganate ion in basic medium is converted into MnO4 minus is converted into MnO2. Like this way it will convert. So in this case, how many electrons is accepted? MnO4 minus 3 electrons it is accepted. 3 electrons is accepted. So that's why n factor. What is the n factor for this? Either in neutral medium or weak basic medium, n factor of KMnO4 is equal to 3. Now it's gram equivalent weight is equal to gram molecular weight 158 by 3 is equal to approximately how much more? 50 is equal to 52.6. 52.6. And in the third condition, in strong basic medium, how that permanganate ion MnO4 minus is converted to MnO4 2 minus. Permanganate ion is converted into manganate ion. Now what is the oxidation state here? +7. Now here +6. Oxygens all are balanced, but the charges are not balanced. Here -2 charge, here -1 charge is there. Then this side we need to add 1 electron. Now in strong basic medium, MnO4 minus accept 1 electron converts into manganate ion MnO4 2 minus. In this case n factor is equal to n factor is equal to 1. Now its gram equivalent weight is equal to 158 by 1 is equal to 158 because n factor is equal to 1. Okay, so this gram equivalent weights concept is very important, ma'am. For balancing of its stoichiometric relations, mostly we are using this gram equivalent weights. According to that, gram equivalent weights are number of equivalents. That concept we can balance that chemical reactions. We can balance the chemical reactions. At the same time, in normality, the strength of solutions in terms of normality. The normality case also gram equivalent weight concept will be useful more, because normality is nothing but number of equivalents of solute present in 1 liter. Number of equivalents formula what na? Weight by gram equivalent weight. What is the gram equivalent formula? Gram equivalent weight formula, gram molecular weight by n factor. Gram molecular weight by n factor. So these all interrelations are very important. Interrelations are very important. Let's see some of the important chemical properties of KMnO4 now we will discuss. So KMnO4 acts as a strong oxidizing agent in acidic medium, basic medium, as well as in neutral medium also. So in acidic medium, how it is converted? MnO4 minus is converted into Mn plus 2, Mn plus 2 form. In neutral medium or as well as in weak basic medium, MnO4 minus converts into MnO2, MnO2, manganese dioxide, by accepting 3 electrons. That's why N factor is equal to 3. N factor is equal to 3. In strong basic medium, MnO4 minus is converts into MnO4 2 minus by accepting 1 electron. That's why N factor is equal to 1. N factor is equal to 1. Let's see. First one, in acidic medium, MnO4 minus permanganate ion, it oxidizes iodide ion. Iodide ion, or in that place you have to take chloride ions as well as bromide ions also, or X-. That is Cl minus, Br minus, and I minus. Converts in acidic medium, I said acidic medium is MnO4 minus is converts into Mn plus 2. Okay, is it clear? I minus is converts into iodine, I2. Now balance that. Here 2 iodine ions are present, here 1 only present, that's why I am writing 2 here. Okay, let's see the charges. Here plus 7 is present, here plus 2 is present. Already last class for K2Cr2O7 balancing equations already we discussed. The same way we need to balance the equations. Now 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Now in this case it is oxidation state with 0 I2, means 0 minus of minus 2 is equal to plus 2. So now this you have to multiply with 2. This you have to multiply with 5. 5 means 5 2 is already 2 is present, 5 to the 10 and forms 5. Now this we need to multiply with 2. 2 MnO4 minus forms 2 Mn plus 2. Now oxygen atoms you balance. Oxygen atoms how many? 4 to the 8. 8 means 8 H2O. Now hydrogen atoms for balancing in acidic medium, simply we need to add H plus ions. How many? 16 H plus ions. See this I minus place, you can write the same equation with Cl minus. Cl minus is present, the product is C, X minus in that place. Then X minus forms 5X2. Either iodine I2 or Cl2 or Br2 will forms. Okay, so this is very important mark. See, iodide ions in acidic medium is converted into iodine, but in neutral medium or in weak basic medium, I minus iodide ions are converted into iodic acid IO3 minus IO3 minus. That is very very important variation. So in acidic medium I minus is converted into I2, but in the neutral medium I minus is converted into IO3 minus and MnO4 minus is converted into MnO4 minus is converted into MnO2, manganese dioxide. That is very very important. Let's see one more example in acidic medium. One more example in acidic medium. The second one is permanganate ion. It oxidizes Fe+2 salts or ferrous salt in acidic medium. Then MnO4 minus is converted into Mn2, and iron Fe+3 is converted into Fe+2 is converted into Fe+3. So up to here it is clear. Now this is a redox reaction. This is oxidizing agent, this is reducing agent. Oxidizing agent undergoes reduction, reducing agent undergoes oxidation. Now we need to balance this redox reaction. The charges +7 +2. Then what is the difference? 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Now its difference is 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So this above we need to multiply with 5 and this below we need to multiply with 1. See, 5 Fe+2 is converted into 5 Fe+3. Now oxygen atoms 4 are present. 4 H2 only, sorry. 4 oxygen atoms, 4 H2. Now balancing hydrogens, how many? 8 extra here. Then we have to write 8 H+. Now it is balanced equation. Okay, let's see one more. MnO4 minus oxidizes C2O4 2 minus oxalate ion. Oxalate ion converts into CO2. Here 2 carbon atoms, then 2 CO2. Now here +7 oxidation state. Total C2 oxidation state how much, ma'am? 6. Now it is 2 carbon dioxides, means each carbon +4, 10 +8 will get. Now the difference is 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. So this we multiply with 2, this we multiply with 5.